Good.
It's how's it funny?
Where is it? It is pretty funny. Where is it? Oh.
Are you blind?
No, that's your job.
I'm still red bull guy. I'm still green bull guy. I'm an officer.
Ah! Shit.
Ow.
That's Landon.
There go my gums.
That hurt.
It's hard to breathe.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Oh no, Landon. Oh, sorry. There. Boom. Accuracy. I love just seeing you randomly wander.
Ow. Ow. Oh.
What? Okay.
Is something?
No. You hit air.
Please no headshots.
It's on the ground. The ball is on the ground on your side. Oh, you're hot. Oh, cold. Warm. No, cold. You're ice. You're an ice ball. You're an Oh, hey. You got You have problems.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Yeet. Wow, nice catch.
I can't see anything on the board. Excuse me.
I'm gonna die here. Right through the middle.
No, you hit my hand.
No, your hand.
Some reindeer want respect, you know.
Actually, your hands hit your horns. Your hands hit your horns and then knock them down.
I crossed. Ow.
I swear to God, you have.
Hello, world.
Yeet!
Oh, yeah.
Hi!
Eat.
Ha! I love when you're blind. We need to do this just with you blindfolded.
Abracadabra.
Ha! No, don't take it off.
Here's my true form.
Oh, God. I hope that hurts.
My true form.
You failed.
It's kind of hard to see.
Put that back on the normal way. Be lying. Oh no! Yeah, just a little frick. Whoa! Be careful with the chair. Be careful.
Whiplash.
Mine.
Oh.
Yes. Win. There.
No headshot.
I didn't mean to. I totally did.
My nose is broken. I tighten this. It hurts.
I wonder why.
I can't believe you're not paying me to do this.
Yeah, you're the one that wanted me to post this.
Uh-uh.
You're the one that wanted me to record this. You were the one screaming, YouTube.
Ow. Oh, no. Oh.
Aw.
Back off, haters! There's a new reindeer in town!
Oh.
Dun, 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 dun.
Thank you so much, Landon, for quieting down like I asked.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
No, you heard me quite.
Actually, I can barely hear you too.
No, I answered before I went in the bathroom meeting.
Oh yeah.
Give me this crap, you didn't hear me.
Hey, I didn't hear. I could barely hear you while you were in there.
Marco. That's a wall.
Please close the door if you don't want to maybe be attacked by a ball.
Marco.
Yellow. What?
How do blind people function this way?
By sound. Put on the mask.
It is on. I'm taking off my glasses so it's easier.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
So it's easier to cut my eye socket. Ow.
Now you can't walk over there. I can just see one eye.
You are a pirate.
Yeah.
What's this say?
It says bananas are amazing.
That's a wall.
Hey. Man, don't throw it. Okay,
I can't see anything.
good. Keep it that way. Oh. Oh, thank you.
I gave you one word. Here, how about you put it on?
No.
Yeah, I want to see how much you'll be in that.
Okay, wait, don't throw it just as I put it on. You better not throw it. No, no. You big no-no head.
It's not.
I'm trying to be functional. Why? You're still retarded even without the mask.
I'm not retarded. Ah! I want to see how far you can get it down. So no pushing it up.
Okay. My vision is decreased. Ow!
I love doing this.
Where is it? It's so heated. Why is it so hot? No, you better not. Get behind it.
I was grabbing it.
I don't believe that.
Hey! Don't use that
What? Where'd it go?
Don't use that language at me.
Oh, hello. No.
Hey, no!
My hand accidentally pushed it up with the ball.
Yeah, but you just put it back to normal. Yay! You put it back to normal.
Hey, baby.
You put it back to normal, then.
Want to go on a date later? Hey. Hey. No.
Hey!
Okay.
No
Okay.
kicking.
I have to.
No.
I stopped it. It hit my foot and then bounced
No,
over.
you have to.
Ah!
No, you have to leave it like that. Hey, you have to leave it like that. It was ball form.
Now I can see everything. It's not as fun.
Still, that's how I went.
You were too close. This is extremely painful.
That's how I felt.
Land. Where's? Oh no! Oh great.
Ow, my belly.
Good. I feel like I'm a Halo player. What? I do better like this.
Oh.
Man. Man.
Okay.
I have to.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I can barely see.
Yeah, you have to bend to make it go
No.
down.
Hey guys,
What?
Nemo's going to bed, so keep it down.
All right.
You have to.
You guys have 55 minutes.
All right.
Yes. All the way. There we go. Now keep it like that.
I can still adjust it with my face.
Well, don't.
Too bad. Yeah.
Now kicking.
You're too bad.
Sure. Okay.
Oh. Hello. Oh no.
Not doing that seriously. Because it decreases the fun, as you would say.
Why don't you put it back on?
Fine. You could have broke my foot with this spiky thing. I don't know how they call this a functional mask. It hurts. When I said ready,
It feels like it's 3D printed.
probably is.
Oh my god.
Alright.
It feels so weird not to have that on.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. You sound like Nemo.
This is me.
Oh. You are not a good child.
So,
So?
talk to my manager. And Saturday night, when it's your night, I don't have to work. So you get more time with me, okay?
For a second, I thought you were going to say your.
Sunday night, you get more time with me. Monday
You got
night,
it.
no one does. You guys have 50-something minutes.
Papa, I just saved you. He targeted you.
No,
The 5-phase plan to becoming a noob. Number 1, wear that mask. Number 2, get hit in the face by it.
no face shot.
Landed.
Okay, King.
I
Land.
didn't bring me anything to drink.
Okay.
I
What?
don't think I bought anything for you.
Landon.
You think that's funny?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh no.
Get me right scared so that you get all hurt.
Sorry, I
Landon.
didn't mean to hit you
No.
right there.
Yeet. Oh man, I didn't hit you. Man, you should have had the mask on.
I'm ditching that mask.
No, then the video's not funny anymore. Might as well end it.
Okay. End it.
Well, goodbye. Goodbye, fellow. Goodbye, fellow. No.